Plug the power cord into the back of the printer. Remove the storage plug from the network input port. Push the network cable into the network connector until you hear an audible click. Power on the printer by pressing the power button located on the front of the machine. Now allow the machine to run its startup sequence. This may take up to 10 minutes to complete, so please be patient. The operational panel display will begin with choosing a language. In our example, we will be using English. Press the OK button. We will now see the message Managed by Admin. The options are Yes, Office, or No, Home. Choosing Office means you must enter an ID and password when setting certain printer functions. The Home selection does not use the ID password function. If you are in a home office or the only user of this printer, we recommend the Home option. Press the down arrow and select the Home option. Select OK. Next will be the message, Welcome, set up your machine now. Are you sure? Press the button directly under the Yes prompt. To perform the machine installation setup, the first page of setup is displayed. Set the time zone, date, and time. Select the button under Change. Our first setting is time zone. Here we will set our time zone either by city location or time zone. Use the up and down navigation keys to find the time zone your machine is being set up in. In this example, we will be using Central Time. Once your time zone is highlighted, select OK, or you can select the button under Next. The month, day, and year options will now appear. If a change is needed, use the left, right, up, down navigation keys. Once you are assured of the correct date, press the key under Next or the OK button. The hours, minutes, and seconds screen will now appear. Use the navigation keys to change the time if required. Once the correct time is selected, press OK or press the key under Next. Now the networking IP address will be set up on the machine. Press the key under Change. You will now decide which network to select, Wi-Fi or wired network. Use the navigation keys to highlight wired network and select OK or press the key under Next. The next screen displays Obtain IP address, Direct Entry, or Auto DHCP. Assure that Auto DHCP is highlighted, select OK or push the key under Next. The display will ask you to set whether notify low toner via panel or not. To assure that this is set to on, press the key under Change. The Notify via panel message will appear with the options of off or on. Assure that on is highlighted and press OK. You have now completed the initial machine for a wired network setup. You can read additional information by selecting the Read Me option or simply select the key under Finish to complete the network installation. The control panel will display Please wait, adding toner. When the printer is finished adding toner, the display will show Ready to print and will blink Add paper to cassette 1. For now, add letter paper to the paper cassette so that you can continue the machine setup. For more detailed information on adding paper to the cassette, please watch the PA4000WX Add Paper to Cassette video and learn how to add specific paper types. The machine is now ready to print.